Hey everyone, Namaste and welcome to my channel. So today, as you know by the title of the video, I am going to do a Domino's Mukbang. So if you'd like to watch the video, then without further ado, let's get started. Actually, it's been a really long time since I last ordered from Domino's, so I decided to give their new sides a try. I haven't tried these sides, so I don't know how they are, but we will see together. So first I have this burger pizza. This is one of their sides. Let us see how this looks. Ooh, this looks promising. This is how the burger pizza looks. Oh my god, this is delicious. Next I have here a cheesy dip which I ordered for my garlic bread, which is here. This is the garlic bread. This is the plain garlic bread. They had a stuffed garlic bread, but I did not order that. I ordered the plain one. I have had garlic bread before and this is really nice, so I ordered the plain one. Next would be this taco mexicana. I got the non-veg one. And this is how it looks. Oh, it looks amazing. It smells delightful, it's what I can tell you. Next I have this Domino's specialty. This is the chicken meatballs and I got the sriracha one. They had two variations, sriracha and peri peri, but I decided to go for the sriracha one. Ooh, they come wrapped like so. Just open the packet. There are not many meatballs in there, are there? They give you 5. But these 5 look really promising, trust me. This is how the meatballs look. Then I have this Domino's special chicken and this is their lemon pepper boneless wings. I hope this will be good. This is the chicken. So I got the veg paradise with the cheese burst. This looks like a work of art right here. I got the regular size because I have too much food here. I just got the barbecue chicken pizza with corn in it. So it has the golden corn and the barbecue chicken. I'm going to start with the ones which I haven't tried yet. So I have my napkin ready in case. So I'm going to start off with the lemon pepper chicken here because I haven't tried this before. This is the color of the chicken. This is so good. This reminds me of McDonald's chicken nuggets, but better. They give it a lot of spice. Super fill right there. I really like the chicken. Domino's used to be my favorite place from where I ordered food. I don't know what happened. I just stopped ordering from Domino's. I think it's mostly because the prices have increased. Okay, let me try the meatballs now. Here are the meatballs. I know this is grossing a lot of people out that I'm using my hands, but trust me, they gave me no utensils and I am in no mood to get up and get one. So here goes nothing. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna go for another one because the meatballs are so soft. The sauce is little spicy because of sriracha and this is good luck. I'm going to have another one. Meatballs just made my day. So good. I'm going to go for taco mexicana. It looks scrumptious. Trust me, this is the best thing I've tasted in a long time. So far, Domino's is doing a really great job. Garlic bread is like garlic bread. It's normal. Normal but good. This is a chicken pizza. I do wish the food was a little warm, but that's my mistake because it took me a lot of time to set this up, and that is my fault. It would have been a lot better if it was warmer. Let me know in the comments down below if you like silent mukbangs where people just eat, or you guys like mukbangs where people talk. Veg burger pizza, so let's give it a try. Not good. Nope. Nope. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite pizza from Domino's and which is your favorite side dish from Domino's. So here is the veg pizza that looks so good, so good. Oh my goodness. There's so much cheese inside the crust. I just hope my camera doesn't die in the middle, because chances are it might. I really want to eat this chicken. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's mukbang. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel down below. Also hit the bell icon so that you guys get notified of all my videos as soon as they are uploaded. Also let me know in the comments down below what food should I eat next and do a mukbang on. All my social media links will be in the description bar, so go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next time, live long and prosper, my fellow earthlings.